All Black defence here as Saravaki sailed through about 4 tackles, then pushed a lovely little kick ahead. And Michael Jones was the last line of defence for the All Blacks. Pharaoh had much too much